Hey guys, welcome to Martinmade. My name's Stephanie and today we're making Play-Doh. As many of you know, I have a 3-year-old son and he loves to play with Play-Doh. He loves to do all kinds of stuff with it, make things and everything, just like any other kid. But the one thing I cannot stand about Play-Doh is that it gets left out and it gets dried, it gets completely mixed together, and then you end up having to throw it out and you have to go purchase more. And Play-Doh is not cheap. I don't know if you guys have a place where you can get super cheap Play-Doh, but I have yet to find one where I'm not paying at least $1.50 per a container per color. So I thought what I would do is I would make up some Play-Doh. First of all, for my son to have some Play-Doh, as well as a Valentine's gift for his little friends. So we're gonna make some Play-Doh today. This is a Pinterest try. Went onto Pinterest and I found this Play-Doh recipe that's supposed to only take 4 minutes. It's also supposed to be the best Play-Doh recipe out there. And it's supposed to be just an all-around wonderful recipe. So we're gonna try it out and we're gonna find out if it's actually as good as it claims to be. So let's get started. Okay guys, so here is the recipe. It's from the Imagination Tree. I will link this down below. It says best ever no cook Play-Doh recipe. So it says that it only takes 4 minutes and it lasts 6 months. So these are the ingredients here, and we're gonna go ahead and get started on this. So starting off, you're gonna need flour, salt, food coloring, cream of tartar, glycerin, and vegetable oil. You'll also need boiling water. So starting off, you're going to take 2 cups of flour, two tablespoons of cream of tartar, and half a cup of salt. Then you're going to need to mix well, and then you'll add the 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Once that's in, you can whisk everything together. You're going to want to make sure everything's mixed together well and that there's no clumps. Next, you're going to take 1 to 1.5 cups of boiling water. Now you can add the food coloring to that. She suggests to use the gel. You could also use the liquid if you choose. Now comes the point where you have to be patient. You're going to add the water slowly to the flour. You don't want it to be too sticky. If you do happen to add too much liquid, you can always add a little bit of flour to make it a little drier. After you're done with that, then you need to knead the dough for a few minutes. She suggests to knead it vigorously. Next, it's time to add a few drops of glycerin. Now we're going to knead the dough for a second time. Now you're going to want to knead the dough really well till it looks like Play-Doh. I found that I needed a little more glycerin to give it that shiny look that Play-Doh has. And there you have your Play-Doh. You guys enjoyed this recipe. I love to find little recipes and things on Pinterest to try and see how they work out, if they really do work or if they fail. I always love to find out. And so I hope you did enjoy it. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For those of you who are new to this channel, you can hit that red subscribe button down below. There's also a little bell that notifies you anytime I upload a new video, which I try every Thursday to upload new videos. I hope that you have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.